I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering and then PGDM in finance from Pune. And I
Okay.
joined my father's business in 1994. So
Okay.
we are a process measuring instrument manufacturing company. We started in 1970, but then shifted to Pune in 77 and became a private limited company. So then I was in touch with Rashmi. We have been referred to Wadhwani Foundation by Pune Tech Park. We want
Sure.
to upgrade our systems, implement those systems which were non-existent, and overall improve the culture and quality of the organization. So with
Sure.
this in mind, we came aboard on Wadhwani Foundation, and we decided to focus on HR development. In my company, which is a MSME company, HR function basically was non-existent. We were mainly
Sure.
IR, industrial relations were
Sure.
being done. So for that we had approached Wadhwani Foundation and they suggested few names. We had a discussion with all of them and then we zeroed down on catalysts.
Okay.
So we started working with them just a month ago, and so far we find that interaction very satisfactory. I did have a discussion with both Rashmi and Shruti, and accordingly they did give me some tips or guidelines
Sure.
in selecting the right agency. We are also focusing on exports where there is a tremendous potential. But to be successful, we need to have certain systems in place. We cannot carry on as we did over the last few years and think of being successful in export market. We received very good support from Rashmi as well as Shruti. And apart from HR, they also identified sales and marketing as one area, systems as another area. So over a period of the last few months, we have been focusing on that also, and we have taken some internal steps to address those issues. During discovery, whatever was identified, we have addressed it, and we have received excellent support from both Rashmi as well as Shruti. Told me how what potential there is for my products in the market.
Sure.
And they discussed with me as well as my CEO, Mr. Ogle,
Okay.
how we can go and achieve it. And it was a very good discussion. But what was more interesting is sales and marketing was one aspect which both Rashmi and Shruti, presented, which really made me think that there is a huge potential and I should go for it. And that really turned initially I was looking for 10%, 15% growth year on year, max to max. But after the presentation, this time in the coming year, we are targeting around 40% growth. And because of the presentation done by Shruti and Rashmi, it really made me think that indeed there is a potential and what could be done on sales and marketing front which will help us to go closer to achieving it. So then based upon that I took some steps internally, hired some people who were more experienced in a particular industry, and through them we are planning to achieve this growth which I mentioned just now. We also added a senior level person for systems development internally. So we did increase our headcount